see how we got our pit boss super clean.
Hey everybody!
Welcome back to Coop to Grill.
Today we joined the Super Clean team, and we've got some products here we're going to show you, and we're going to clean up our pit boss because it's finally spring in Wisconsin. I know all you Southerners have been doing all this stuff for a couple months now, but we finally got a weekend that it's going to be almost 60 degrees. So
that's spring here.
That's spring here. So the grass is turning green, and we need to clean up the grill. So check out what we got. All right. So anyways, if you don't order it through Super Clean, you can get it at all of these great locations. So today we're going to be using the Super Clean Original. Now, this is fully concentrated, and you can use it as is. There are some directions here, which we'll show you as well, on how to dilute it and what to dilute it for. So outdoor barbecue grills, it says to use the full strength stuff. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to get out to the pit boss, get that outside, get my hose ran, and then we're going to get to cleaning the grill. We're out at the pit boss. Look at the dust on here. Not so much dust. There's some smoke. There's some grease. You can see on the top of here. Get out of the glare. See all that. Down here, look at that, the dog hair. Well, you know, we've got my #1 subscriber right there. She is, and her brother. Hey, Bo. Yeah, he's in here for the ball. But yeah, we're going to so we're gonna get this super clean.
That's right.
Use as directed, and the directions say to spray the surface, let it sit on there enough time to dissolve the grease, and then rinse it down. So that's what we are going to do. I probably am going to scrub a few of the tougher areas, but we're going to get this thing sprayed down quick. I think we're probably going to let this sit on here. We're going to keep an eye on it, but it's going to be somewhere about 5 to 7 minutes before it starts to dry, and that's when we're going to take the hose to it. Get onto the back here. Be careful. You don't want to get any into these holes back here. And when you're spraying this down, same thing. You don't want to get water into these because your wood chips are right there. This is the heat deflector. I am going to take a scraper to this before I spray it down and just get the big chunks off of there. But we're going to spray this down too and see. It's just got to come better than that. This is atrocious. A long winter of smoking good food, and that's what happens.
That's very true.
So we're going to use the spray bottle, the aerosol can, because it's foaming, so it sticks to surfaces better. Not that didn't stick. That was good. But we're going to spray this down quick.
Oh, wow.
And now we're going to move this over and we're going to spray this down. Starting to dry.
Yep.
So
you just hose it off.
That's what it says.
Cool.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Look at all the dingy grease that came off that. Wow. Oh, that's amazing. You can literally see brown water just coming off it.
I'm going to spray the big chunks that are remaining off of here with the hose. We're going to give it one more dousing and spray it off, but I think that's going to be really good. So the bottom was a little bit more greasy than the rest of it, and then it's caked on there. Gravity set a lot of dust and dirt and stuff in there. So I resprayed that down. We're going to take a little scrub brush that I got, and it's not going to take a whole lot. This had a little bit caked on too, and I just took a quick rag to it, and it wiped right down. This stuff really does cut through the grease. I'm really impressed with it. Like, look at that. And then, yeah, this is just cutting right through the grease. And it's cold up here. Like,
No, the wind
which,
is not helping.
no, but, you know, the grease will wash off a lot faster, a lot easier if it's, 90 degrees compared to 57 degrees. So for it to be cool like this and to clean up this nicely is actually pretty impressive. Yeah, that's perfect.
Wow.
Look how clean that is. That's amazing.
Looks new again.
Yeah.
Wow. I think the silver part was brown for the last, year.
It has been, yeah. And then just a quick, I got some streaks on here from everything draining down. I think I'm just going to quick spray, a quick brush, and then that should clean right up. We'll take a look at that after it dries. So I'm going to get the vacuum out. I'm going to shop back the inside of that since I got it all pulled apart. Let that dry and we'll put it all back together. But I am super impressed with Super Clean. All right, well, if you have any questions about what you saw me putting together here, I've got some fire brick in there, and I've got a piece of C-channel that we made. My neighbor actually cut it for me, sandblasted it, and put it in there, and that just helps deflect the heat. You may have also noticed that I didn't clean the grills off the grates when I put this back together, and that was by design. So we're not supposed to clean this area with Super Clean. But what we do want to do to degrease this is I'm going to fire this thing up, and we're not going to show all that, but I'm going to fire this up, get it up to about 400 degrees, and then I'm going to use
The best tool ever.
the Grill Daddy. This thing is awesome. If you guys haven't picked one of these up, it's great for a smoker, it's great for a grill, it's great for a gas grill, anything basically that's not a Blackstone. Any of your other grills, this thing works awesome. Take the end off, fill this whole thing with water. I got a little bit of water in there right now. And then you just turn it on. You can see the water coming out. And what that does is it steam cleans your grill when your grill's hot. So you want to make sure it's hot and on. Look at this thing, man.
It's brand new looking.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Yep.
Did you do this part?
I did not.
Wow. It does. It looks like the day you put it together.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, and we did end up with some streaks.
Yeah, we did end up with some streaks, but that's okay.
They're not greasy streaks.
It's a clean streak.
Clean. It's a clean streak.
Super clean streak. There you go. You got to watch us spring clean the Pit Boss today with Super Clean.
Super clean!
Yeah, so we're very excited. Thank you guys for coming along. Do not forget
to like and subscribe,
and
drop a comment. It helps grow our channel.
Yes, it does.
It does.
Yeah. Okay.
What do you think?
I think I'm ready.
Super clean team. Okay.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, what is
we
that?
need capes.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Super clean. Unite! No.
Oh, there you go. We'll have a cape with paper towel, made out of paper towel.
Oh, we could do that.
Totally.
Do you want to make that?
No, I don't.
Oh, all right. Okay. Well, never mind. Yeah, I think I'm okay.
All right. Hey, everybody.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, you want me to say the next? I get it. Never mind. I get it. Try it again. I get it now.
Oh my God, you're fantastic.
It's hard being dumb. Okay. All right. Okay. I get it. You okay?
Sure.
I think so.
Hey, everybody.
What are you wearing?
What are you? Welcome, homo. Welcome back to Coupe de Grill.
That was just funny for you. I thought that'd be great. You want me to turn it off?
No.
You got it. But I have to stop it.
I thought we
Are
were
we not
going to introduce the stuff. Or you want to be?
Yeah, introduce it. I don't know.
Right.
Or you want me to go over there? I can go away.
Okay, go away. Just kidding. No.
You used to love me. Everybody out there, don't worry. He used to love me.
I still do. We've got the aerosol can, and that is, they say that's for vertical surfaces. So we'll
So him. No.
we're
Is there a
not.
vertical surface?
We're not taking this in the shower.
Oh, yeah, that probably hurt.
Yeah, there's a whole different section on here about that.
There is not. Don't use it on humans.
We're gonna get out to the pit boss, get that outside, get my hose ran, and then
Go ahead. Keep an eye on what we're doing.
oh my goodness.
What now?
Well, now we say goodbye.
Oh, bye.
Bye.
Not
That
you.
was me. And if you want to see other videos with us in it, check them out. They're right over here.
They're over there.
Yeah.